Yes, let's look at this problem. Question 49 for WAEC 2018 physics. Which of the following fields are radioisotopes not used? In which of the following fields is radioisotopes not used? Now, if you check out the uses of radioisotopes or radioisotopy, you find out that they can be used in medicine. Very, very important. They can be used in oil industry for oil exploration. They can also be used in agriculture. Very, very important. So you can use radioisotopes in studies in all these fields. But the last option, weather forecast, there is no such in our books from what we've read so far under radioisotopy and its application. So it's not actually used in weather forecast. It can be used in medicine, can be used in oil industry, can be used in the agriculture, but not this. So weather forecast is actually the field where you don't use radioisotopes.